I'm not sure if you realize, but there's a lot of people that think it's difficult to save money. And if you're one of those people, then you got a big problem because saving money is not the solution. There's a reason why Robert Kiyosaki says savers are losers. And hopefully, this can simplify it for you. There's four types of money: dead money, safe money, healthy money, and wealthy money. Dead money earns interest at a rate of 4% or less. Safe money earns interest between 5 and 8%, while healthy money earns interest between 9 and 12%. But wealthy money is anything that earns interest above 12%. And you have to factor in inflation. And that's exactly why Robert Kiyosaki says savers are losers. I'm not gonna lie, I heard him say that so many times and I didn't truly understand what he meant until the pandemic hit. Once the pandemic hit and I was going to the store and I continued to see the price steadily increasing, I understood exactly what he meant because I had the same currency and I was able to buy less. And it's not even that. There's another aspect of inflation because manufacturers will give you less and charge you more. Because if you really think about it, the bag of chips that we used to get when we were kids were filled to the tippity top. Now, half the bag is filled with air and they don't even care. They just want our money, even though they continue to move funny. And to be honest, I'm beginning to understand exactly why the game was created that way. Because now you have to understand that what we're using is a currency. In fact, it's a fiat currency. It's not backed by anything. It has no intrinsic value. But if you're saving real money, which is a commodity as in gold or silver, that is used as a hedge against the dollar. It will always have intrinsic value. So that is different. In comparison to the fiat currency that we're using, that continues to gain value as the dollar loses value because it's a storehold of wealth. However, the intention of the currency that's injected into the economy is for productivity. If there's no activity, then there's no progression. As they say, time is money. And in a capitalistic society, you're either trading your time for money or your money for time. But when you're trading your money for time, then you're treating your dollars as if they're soldiers and you're sending them out into the universe so that they can recruit more soldiers or produce a certain activity that will benefit you in the long run. And there's a million ways to get it. All you have to do is choose so that you don't lose. When it comes to investing, there's four asset classes: real estate, business, paper assets, and commodities. Real estate is a physical infrastructure, whether it be residential, commercial, land. There's a ton of opportunity when it comes to real estate. And then when it comes to business, you're either going to create a product or service and market it to the universe so that you can generate revenue from the value that you provide for the universe. And then you have paper assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds. And that is when you have equity ownership in a company and you reap the benefits of their productivity. And last but not least, you have commodities like gold, silver, copper, oil. Those are all different types of commodities. So all you have to do is figure out what asset class is for you, educate yourself on it, and then begin that journey of investing. Because if you don't invest, then you're gonna fail the test. And it's gonna create a lot of stress. So you need to invest. But first, before you allocate a single dollar towards any of those asset classes that I mentioned, invest in your mind because the game is designed to profit off of your emotions and your lack of knowledge. So if you do not educate yourself and you do not know what you're doing, then the world is just going to take advantage. And you can whine and complain until it drives you insane, but to be honest, it's all a part of the game. And I hope that gave you a better understanding of why investing is more important than saving. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.